Welcome back to Candy's Art World. I'm Candy, and today I'm going to be making a barn scene. I'm using my Derwent Inktense pencils. I kind of went about this a little backwards. I waited to put in the background after I had already done most of the barn and the fence and stuff. But I was kind of just playing around, seeing what kind of a look I could get out of these Inktense pencils. I kind of wanted a loose feel, kind of watercolor feel, but with just a little bit more structure. Um, I think it came out okay. Not my favorite piece, but it was still fun to make. I did use the help of a ruler. Um, if you are iffy about your lines being straight or whatever, or if you just have a lot of lines to make, I suggest grabbing a ruler. It's a helpful tool just for that straight edge. The Inktense made doing the trees pretty easy. I just kind of used the side of the pencil and just kind of just scribbled in the background because I didn't want it to take away focus. I wanted to be kind of blurry. I think it worked out pretty good. But when I went to put water on it, I still tried to do the greens first and then go back over the blues to try and keep the colors a little separate. And I tried to just keep the white of the paper for the markings on the barn doors instead of having to try to go back in with white. Also along the base of the barn for like the cement slab it's on. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, subscribe, and have a great day.